Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best refrigerator thermometers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many refrigerator thermometers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each refrigerator thermometers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a refrigerator thermometer. The most important factor is accuracy, as the device must give precise readings to ensure your food stays safe. Next, consider the temperature range. Choose one that covers both refrigerator and freezer levels. The display type also matters. Clear digital displays are easier to read than analog ones. Durability is another key point because the thermometer should withstand cold, moisture, and frequent handling. Ease of placement is important too. Options with hooks, stands, or magnets make positioning simple. Battery life or power source also affects long-term convenience. Lastly, consider extra features like alarms or waterproof design if needed. A reliable thermometer helps maintain food quality and safety effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.